If you're an EU, EEA, or Swiss citizen living in the UK, you may be eligible for settled status. This allows you to continue living and working in the UK after Brexit, regardless of the outcome of future negotiations between the UK and the EU. The process of applying for settled status is straightforward and can be done online. You'll need to provide evidence of your identity, your continuous residency in the UK, and any criminal convictions, if applicable. The online application form is easy to complete, and you can upload any supporting documents directly from your computer. You can also complete the application process using the EU Exit ID document check app on your smartphone. If your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation of your settled status, which will allow you to continue living and working in the UK without any restrictions. You'll be able to view and share your settled status digitally, and you can use it to prove your right to live and work in the UK if required. Don't miss your chance to secure your right to live and work in the UK. Apply for settled status today. How we can help? CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit cgmpartners.org.uk/register for more information.